Hi Pisces, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for October 2012. Pisces, we start this month with quite a phenomenal transit, that is of Saturn, and she's moving after 28 and a half years, and she moves into Scorpio. She's moving from Libra, where she's been residing for the last 2.5 years. Now Scorpio will have its own lessons and its own challenges to learn, since Saturn is going to be there in its first house. For you Pisces, the transit is going to be happening in your ninth house. The thing about Saturn is that every time that Saturn moves, she never really leaves our charts, so to speak. So for all those lovely people who keep writing to me and keep asking me, when is it finally that Saturn is going to be leaving my house for good, and when is it that I finally get rid of Saturn? The good, or rather the I would say the interesting bit of news is that Saturn never really leaves the chart. She merely shifts her attention onto an aspect of your chart which may require attention at that point of time. And for you, it is speaking about your ninth house. It's speaking about higher learnings. It's speaking about maybe things that you have pursuing, things that you have been wanting to do for a long time. Saturn also moves to a house where your greatest learning is. It is also evolvement of a soul at a certain level, and this is also the time where Saturn moves in to teach you things that you may not be wanting to change about yourself. Now Venus also moves into your 7th house, and that's a lovely place for Venus to be. Your 7th house is all about your partnerships, your marriage and contractual deals. So a lot of you will be spending a lot of fun times with your family. I think a good amount of time is going to be spent at home and with your spouse, and there's going to be a lot of closeness and good times. Relationships will also seem smoother than they have been in quite some time. Not that things have been unpleasant, but they will just be a sense of goodness, a sense of wanting to do things together and enjoying some good times together. Mars moves to your 10th house of career and reputation, and it's going to give it a nice push. A lot of you will be tempted to travel quite a lot, Pisces. I think there seems to be a lot of restlessness that is there, and a need to be getting away, and I think travel will do you good. A lot of you who have been wanting to enhance a degree or looking at adding a skill set to your current education, it's a great time to be doing that as well. Do go ahead and explore that foreign university or that degree that you have been wanting to pick up. It could also be a short-term course that could add value to your current skill set, so go ahead and do that. This is also the time, that is October, that will see you laying foundations on your values, your beliefs. I think a lot of you are going to be questioning things that you have grown up with. You are going to be putting your beliefs under a scanner. I think a lot of you are going to be questioning things that have not worked for you for quite some time, and this could have to do with the environment around you. I think a lot of you are going to be taking up a stand and saying that okay, I've heard this for a long time, or I have lived in a certain kind of a perception and it does not seem to be working for me. And I think it's quite a nice thing, because Pisces, and now with the Neptune shift that has happened after 13.5 years into your sign, Neptune has moved into its home sign, that is you Pisces. It has just made everything very hazy. It has made everything more dreamlike. You won't be as prone to action as you would have normally been. So Mars being there in your 10th house is going to help you. It's going to push you. It's going to give you that energy to take decisions. So Pisces, I would say that use this energy well in October. Look at things, or look at old problems with a new solution. Have a fresher perspective. Try not to sort of just shrug it off and say, oh, I've been through this so many times and there is no answer to this. Do that. This is also really a time to be going internalizing a lot of things, doing introspection, and again asking yourself what it is that you want out of life, where is it that you're going, a lot of deep questions. But I think also a lot of clarifying and crystallizing a lot as well. So a lot of you are going to be not happy doing things the way that you have been so far, and I think Saturn is going to sort of push you to go out and seek more experiences, go out and explore the world more, get out of your shell, Pisces. This is not the time to be sitting and thinking and wishing and wanting. This is the time to be moving and actioning things and let things move. This is also a great time, I think, where a lot of new learning will come through travel. You may come across with people who are not from the same country, are from different cultures or backgrounds, and this could sort of just open up your mind. So stay open to new experiences, Pisces, and move this month. Try not to get lost into your watery haze or your dreamlike zone. The universe is urging you to get up and take action and do something about things that have not been moving, especially at your workplace. So overall, a great month, Pisces. I'll see you again in November, and thank you so much for watching.